Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm out here in the garden again today. Just going to talk to you guys about the importance of mulch again. If I'm sounding like I'm just playing a broken record and just keep repeating the same thing over and over again, the reason for it is that I just really can't overemphasize enough the importance of the mulch in water conservation. So I wanted to show you guys, a lot of our raspberries have kind of died back in the past few days. It has been so hot, it has been like repeatedly, well into the upper 30s, super sunny, no rain. I don't know when the last time we had rain was, but it's been a while. We're really hopeful that there's going to be a big rain tomorrow. That's what the forecast calls for. I would be grateful for it. As I've said before, I don't have water here on the property yet. We're in the process of trying to get it hooked up yet. I don't have any ability to collect it off the roofs yet. And the well, one of them seems to be dry and the other one I don't have a sump pump for that goes down deep enough. So anyway, I'm stuck without water, and basically what I do is I just bring some water with me in jugs and stuff, but it's very limiting as to how much I can bring, and it's a big pain. So I haven't been watering the raspberries at all. And unfortunately, a lot of them have kind of started to shrivel up and dry up. The ones out here, I've watered 2 days in a row now, and they seem to have kind of come back to life for the most part. You can still see some damage, obviously, like the really dried up bits there. That part there, totally, dead. Same thing here. This little branch was completely dead. The new shoot is looking okay now. It was really wilted yesterday. But it's looking better today. I watered it again today. Same thing with this little guy here. He was looking really wilted. I'll show you guys an overlay of some of the other raspberries in the other area so you can compare it. I haven't watered those. And yeah, I'm really hoping that it rains tonight. If it doesn't, I'll try to bring some water for those guys tomorrow. But it's been really tough. I mean, I'm still kind of having to water a few things here and there that don't have heavy mulch yet. And the raspberries don't have really good mulch either. They only have just some leaves and, dried grasses and stuff thrown on top. It's not really like a proper mulch. It's not at proper depth or anything. And the sun's just baking these guys like mad. So, I mean, you can see the soil here where it's like exposed. I mean, it's just like, it's like sand. I'm actually touching it now and it's burning my fingers. It's so hot. I mean, it feels like when you're at the beach and just walking around in it. I mean, look at this. It feels so hot to the touch. It like really feels kind of like you're at the beach. And like how far down do I have to go before it doesn't feel like this? I mean, it's just completely dried out. So, in between the grass, you can see, I mean, look at this. It's just, I mean, we have somewhat sandy soil anyway, but I mean, this is not good, so really, I feel like I'm just repeating myself constantly, but the mulch is the king. If you guys compare what you're seeing here, just between the grass and stuff, look at this. I mean, it's just dry. There's not an ounce of moisture in this. And compare this with, with the mulch bed. Everything's looking good, and those things haven't had any water. So, yeah, I mean, it's really just a big difference. And I think there's just, the more mulch, the better. And I definitely need to make more and mulch all these raspberries so they don't die out. Same thing over here. The blueberries are looking really dry. I actually ate the 4 little blueberries that seemed to have ripened yesterday. There's a couple more that this one might be okay to eat now. But I mean, it's like shriveling up. I also think this doesn't actually, it's not just the dryness. I think something is not to its liking here. Maybe it's not, the soils might not be acidic enough. I don't know, but it's gone kind of red, so I'm not really sure what's going on here, but I might try putting some like coffee grinds and stuff on top of the plants. I know that's supposedly good for blueberries. I don't drink coffee, but I'll probably try to go to the like coffee place in town where we live and see if they can give me, some coffee grinds. But anyway, yeah, rhubarb here is looking really dry. I watered that today. Same thing here. I haven't really properly mulched this. I haven't had time, and I don't have any more mulch left. So yeah, I don't know. I'm really hoping for the rain. If anybody knows a good rain dance, please do dance it for us and send some water this way. And if you're doing a garden, do yourself a favor and put down some mulch. All right, guys. See you in the next one. Bye.